Hello, my brothers and sisters, my friends and my well-wishers. I broke one day created well now for it's still a biggest G, MC, Ekesin, Okosisi, Ojokwe, Rinri. As soon as they watch this video, where food there for table, where yam there for table with me here and Shifting Spanner. As we just come where we the eat food, now I ask Shifting Spanner, say, Oga, what you want chop? Shifting Spanner tell me, say, no need swallow, saying I am what you need. Now I ask the person when they said the yam, say, okay, make him bring one plate for Shifting Spanner. Shifting Spanner saying no fee chop one plate or one plate no fee belly food and no. Ha! Oh boy, that one choke me. I say, okay, how many plates where in go fee chop? Because me, I no want eat yam. I want eat ordinary rice and beans. Shifting Spanner say, na 17 plate of yam. Na in go chop. I say, okay.